Hello, health seekers. I'm Arthika, your guide to nature's best-kept secrets. And today, we're uncovering a legend from the world of herbal medicine, Adhatoda Vasica. A plant so powerful it's been treating coughs and respiratory troubles long before modern medicine even knew what a syrup was. Let's meet the star of the show. Adhatoda Vasica, also known as Malabar Nut, is an evergreen shrub with glossy green leaves and delicate white or purple flowers. But don't let its beauty fool you. This plant is a warrior when it comes to healing. Its secret weapon? A bioactive compound called Vasicine. Sounds futuristic, right? But this little molecule has been around for centuries, helping humans fight off coughs, colds, and even asthma. It works like a natural expectorant, breaking down stubborn mucus and clearing up your airways, so you can finally take that deep, satisfying breath. Suffering from bronchitis, congestion, or a nagging cough? Adhatoda Vasica doesn't just soothe your throat, it kicks out the problem at the source. And if asthma or respiratory allergies have been giving you a hard time, this plant acts like nature's very own bronchodilator, relaxing your airways and making breathing feel effortless. Traditionally, people have used Adhatoda Vasica in teas, syrups, and even herbal steam inhalations. No chemicals, no side effects, just pure, plant-powered relief. But wait, there's more. This plant doesn't just stop at the lungs. It has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a natural remedy for fevers, infections, and even digestive issues. Think of it as your personal botanical bodyguard, always ready to defend your health. And here's the best part. If you're looking to source high-quality Adhatoda Vasica, you don't have to go searching in the forests of India. Pissarro International, based in Chennai, is an expert exporter of this incredible medicinal plant. Whether you need it for herbal formulations, pharmaceutical use, or personal wellness, they've got you covered. So, why settle for synthetic remedies when nature has the cure? Get in touch with Pissarro International today and bring home the healing power of Adhatoda Vasica. Until next time, stay healthy, stay natural, and let the plants do the healing.